Okay, find the product of matrix A and B. So this is the 2 by 2 matrix of A and 2 by 2 matrix of B. So one thing you should know is that for you to be able to multiply matrix successfully, the column of the first matrix must be equal to the row of the second matrix. So this column we have 1, 2, 2 columns, and we have 2 rows. So you can multiply it. The same thing on the second question. You can see it. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 columns, and definitely we are going to have 3 rows. So if it does not match, you cannot multiply the matrix because their dimensions are not the same. So let's answer this question. So we have matrix A multiplied by B is going to give rise to. So we use our first element, that is our first row, first column, and we use it to multiply first row, first column of the second element. So just see how I do it. So we have 4. So we have 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 8. That's how to do it. Then we also have 2, negative 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 8. So that is our first and second row. Let's go to second column. So for second column, we have 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So 4, you multiply it by 5, then you sum it with the product of 3 and 2. So you also go negative 2 and 5 plus, so this negative 2 multiplied by 5, then plus 0 multiplied by 2, 0 by 2. And that's how to find their product. So now say A multiplied by 2, the product is going to be, we have 4 here, we have 16. So this is going to give us 20. Then we have negative 2 plus 0 is going to give us negative 2. Then we have 20 plus 6 is going to give us 26. Then we have negative 10 plus 0 will give us negative 10. And that is the product of these two matrices. So we are going to multiply the matrix A with B. So you discover that the first column is 3 and the second row is 3. So we are going to multiply them. It's allowed to multiply. So we have A equals 2 by 2 matrix. You have negative 2 multiplied by 4, then plus 0 multiplied by 2, then plus 4 multiplied by 3. So that is the first column or the first row. Then we also do the same with 3. So we have negative 2 by 3 plus 0 by 8 plus 4 by 1. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to go to the second row and we use it to multiply out. So we have 3 by 4 plus 2 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Then for the second part, we also have 3 by 3 plus 2 by 8 plus 1 by 1. Okay? And that is our 2 by 2 method. So the product of A and B will now be equals to, we have 8 here, we have 0 plus 12. So 8 plus 12 will give us 4. Then we have negative 6 plus 0 plus 4. Negative 6 plus 4 will give us 2. Negative 6 plus 4 will give us negative 2. We have 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is going to give us 19. So the next is 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. And this is how to find the product of matrix